Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've done any new nails, so I decided to do a pink and blue version of the dragon vein agate design I did 2 years ago. To start, I applied a base coat to all of my nails and then I painted them with a light blue polish. You could also use a white or light pink polish as your base instead. While the polish was drying, I applied a latex barrier around all of my nails. I then added several shades of pink, blue, and purple polishes to a makeup sponge and sponged them onto my nails to create a gradient background. I changed the pattern for each nail to make each look unique. After the nails were opaque, I removed the latex and allowed them to dry before applying a top coat. Once the top coat had dried, I added a fresh latex barrier around my nails and on the backs of my fingers to prepare them for water spotting. I then added a drop of light blue polish to a cup of room temperature water and sprayed the surface with hairspray. I dipped my nail into the broken up polish, cleaned up the excess, removed my nail, and peeled off the latex. I then repeated the process for the rest of my nails. To finish up, I sealed my nails with one last coat of top coat. I hope you all liked this design. I really liked how the polish separated from my middle nail. Leave me a comment letting me know if you prefer the original version of these dragon vein agate nails or the new pink and blue remake.